All right, the Okeefe kids want to be in a video talking about how they eat fruits and veggies and healthy foods for dinner. So, Ashlyn, what do you want to say about it?
Mom, you remember I'm talking about what we're eating for food.
Okay, what are we eating for dinner?
Um,
Show everybody.
we're eating zucchini. Zucchini and broccoli.
Yep.
And
Carrots.
and green peppers.
Red peppers.
Red peppers. And blueberries.
And crushed
pineapple.
And what's over here in this section? Chicken. Garrett,
Hi.
do you like the dinner? It's all over your hand.
Maybe.
Are you eating your veggies, Brennan? Good job. Ryan, do you like the dinner?
No.
Say what you said a minute ago. Say, this is a yummy dinner.
This is a yummy dinner. Does this go on
This
Facebook?
is silly. Everything goes on Facebook. You know better.
I want to say more stuff.
Go ahead.
Will you please not laugh again?
I'm not going to laugh. Go ahead.
Okay. I have to say this food is good, but when after I'm saying, Mom, when I say,
video's on.
after I say my food is good, then the video's over.
Okay.
The food is good, but
what?
Mom,
What? Are you going to say anything else about the food?
no, the video's over.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Sit down, Ryan.
Say bye.
You didn't do it. Oh,
Say bye.
bye.
I'm doing a better.